Do you feel like your digital marketing efforts are drifting aimlessly, unsure if they're reaching the right audience? In a noisy, competitive world, it's hard to know if your message is landing where it matters most. Without a clear strategy, time and resources slip away, leaving you uncertain about what's working and what isn't. Many businesses face the same challenges: a lack of measurable strategy, not communicating to the right audience, and not communicating the right message, which means wasted effort and resources. And if they're using AI for marketing, it's without clarity or authenticity. It's hard to connect the dots when you don't have a clear path. That's where 𝘂𝘂𝘂𝘀�'s digital marketing roadmap comes in. We help connect your efforts into a focused, effective strategy. We begin with a comprehensive digital review to assess your strengths, identify opportunities, and benchmark against best practices. From there, we provide strategic counsel and tailored expert recommendations in a clear, actionable roadmap. To help you get started, you'll get a targeted list of immediate, high-impact actions to elevate your results, a blueprint for creating a cohesive and memorable online identity, and practical resources to simplify execution and ensure your efforts hit the mark. Now, with the right strategy, your message connects to the right audience, creating meaningful and measurable results. Our approach is clear, focused, and designed to meet you where you are, no matter your level of digital marketing knowledge. Getting started is easy. Complete a brief onboarding questionnaire, and in just a few weeks, you'll receive your personalized roadmap presented in a 1-hour walkthrough. From there, you decide: implement it in-house, collaborate with us, or let us handle it for you. Whichever path you choose, we take the guesswork out of your strategy so you can focus on what matters most: growing your business. Partner with 𝘂𝘂𝘂𝘂 to chart your path to success. Clarity, growth, and results start here. Visit 𝘂𝘂𝘂𝘂𝘀.com to get started today.